Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin messages on WhatsApp using your Android device. To get started, open the WhatsApp app and open the chat that contains the message you want to pin. Press and hold the message until it's selected. Then, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner if needed and select Pin. Next, choose how long you want the message to stay pinned. Depending on your version of WhatsApp, you can pin the message for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Tap Pin to confirm your selection. The pinned message will appear at the top of the chat, making it easy for everyone in the conversation to find important information. If you want to remove it later, press and hold the pinned message again, then tap Unpin. And that's it, you've successfully pinned a message on WhatsApp. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.